So Jay just made the contracts, and what you'll do is, obviously you're not going to put it in pen. Go to your printer and just create something in a large font that the audience can see this. In fact, it doesn't even have to be on 8.5 by 11 sheets of paper. You could do 11 by 17 sheets of paper and make it the exact same way, just be bigger for the audience to see. So when the contract is coming out, I would suggest the contract being pre-folded, because it's going to help things rip a little bit if you actually have a crease in there around your packet back here. And so this still looks good, but now you can see exactly what's going on. So then when she says, you know, you can rip it up, you're literally just going to rip. But what you're going to do is make sure just to keep that piece of paper back there, and then you're going to rip again. I would suggest this. I would suggest this way you rip almost into thirds. I know I just did it there in halves, but I would do it almost in thirds and get really close. This is going to be the same color paper. So once the time comes, if I do that, that still would look like white on white, like it's the same piece of paper. And then if they go, or then when they say, you know, Alex, whatever, then you're going to pull this open, leave this stack of papers there. You have to pinch them as you open, but you're just going to open it up, and you're just going to show Alex's contract while just pinching the papers behind here. I would go with heavier stock paper, because if you have stage lights, it is possible to potentially see through the paper, and you can see that they're holding something back there. So maybe go with a heavier stock paper if possible. Otherwise, just make sure it's not too well lit. Backlit or front lit. It can go both ways. But that's it, and that's really a simple thing to make. You have to make it for every show, you have to make it for every performance, because you do rip it up. But it's a simple thing to make, simple thing to do. It's actually very effective. People don't realize that it's going to be restored. So when they rip the McCarty one, the first thing I'd recommend, when they rip the McCarty one, it's ripped up before you reveal the Alex one, have it handed over to Taylor or whoever is going to be doing it. And let them just get ready for it, for the restoration. They don't have to you know, undo it, but get it ready. The audience doesn't know what's coming, so then when they see it happening, it just looks like, what the heck just happened? So that is the torn and restored contract.